So before we start to apply this setup to all our tree, we need to make a few changes because for the sweep, so we need actually two vectors on the curve. It should be a normal and should be an up vector. So because it's we have an orient, but it's not aligned to the curve, so it's for us it's not good. Let's see what polyframe gave us. Visualize our marker vector and up, and let's see. So this is our up vector, and it's jumping. You see, it's rotating. So if this vector will rotate along curve, so our circle will rotate, and we get the same issue like with polywire. So we will create a, I think here, our up vector, be it up equal 1, 0, 0, and we will rotate it with our orient. And let's see what we got. Rotate our be at orient, and our vector up. Or maybe I do not like vector. Do not assign it. And let's visualize it here. Let's see if it's rotating or not. And now it looks like it's static, so let's disable this one and see. Yeah, so nothing rotating, so it should be good. Let's check. Let's create at branch ID equal 50 and copy parameter and paste like reference here, that we can isolate our geometry as well. And let's see what we have. So in this case we need to change still. What we need to do, we need to remove our orient because it's reading our orient attribute. Let's remove orient and rest orient, yeah, and switch back. Oops, no. Yeah. Okay, so we'll remove, let's see what we have. Yeah, so it's on the root curve a little bit, but it's okay. Let's see a static one. Let's switch 150. Let's see it. Yeah, looks like okay. So scale. Okay, let's create a compile. So we need a fast solution with compile block. Create a for each primitive loop. Plug it here and enable multithreading, and we will use a branch ID to iterate. And yeah, let's isolate first and plug it here. Let's see what we have. Okay, yeah, we need to disable these things, reset caches, and we have our trunk. that's moving. Apply sweep here. Okay. Let's see. Moving. Points number. As expected, working well. Okay, so now we need to plug here our static geometry, and we need to change here for input and isolate corresponding static branch. Let's create a metadata, and we will use a value from metadata to blast it. Create a blast. Create add spare input with here and type add branch ID equal our detail -1 value and 0, and let's see. Yes, and plug it here. Oh, delete not selected. Yeah. So let's switch. Yes, looks like okay. And copy through these nodes and plug it here, our tree. Let's see. Yep. And plug our tree. Oops. Here to point. And let's see how it's moving. Let's jump to trunk. Okay, and let's see all three. So you see it's working much faster than wire capture because it's compiled, and yeah, it's capturing everything. So let's jump to this most curved side, template it, and let's see our spines. So all our spines inside, geometry moving. So this method much faster. We can use it. Next, we will apply it to our non-simulation setup, and we'll see if it works with it.